It's no use plus verb-ing means that what you or someone is trying to do will have no effect, or it won't have a successful result. Examples. It's no use asking me because I don't know the answer. It's no use hiding, she's already seen you. It's no use regretting what happened because you can never change the past. It's no use protesting. The management will never listen to you. It's no use banning personal calls during office hours if it won't be strictly implemented. It's no use crying over someone who never cares for you. It's no use exercising to lose weight when you still eat like a pig. It's no use asking for a discount. The prices here are fixed. It's no use complaining. The decision is final. It's no use arguing with Luke when he's drunk.